Hi guys, welcome to Voice of Reality, and in today's video we are looking deep into Inimba's actors' families, and without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. At number 1 we have got Zenande Mfenyana. She was born in 1985 in Johannesburg, South Africa. Zenande is known for keeping aspects of her personal life private. She is a mother, though she tragically lost a son at the age of 2 in 2023. At number 2 we have got Lunathi Mampofu. She is a mother and has a daughter named Sky, to whom she has penned heartfelt social media messages, but she maintains a low profile regarding her personal life outside of a career. At number 3 we have got Sisa Hewana. He is a very well-known South African actor. He has a brother, the well-known Afro soul musician Vusi Nova, with whom he shares a father. He is also in a relationship with a former YoTV presenter, Ivana Morailane. At number 4 we have got Ayaka Ntunja, a young and rising star in the entertainment industry, born in 2003. Details about her romantic relationships or whether she has children are not publicly disclosed, as she generally keeps her personal life out of the spotlight to focus on her career. At number 5 we've got Siyabonga Shive. He is a father of 2 children and he primarily raised his son, Yenaria Leboga Shive, aged 12 as of 2025, and he raised his son as a single parent. His daughter was mainly raised by her mother's family. He is also a businessman and a co-owner of a production company. At number 6 we have got Nkanyiso Makhanya, a South African actor and a television personality. Makhanya is known for being private about his personal relationships, though he is active on social media where he shares insights into his work, a fitness routine and fashion sense. He is also involved in business. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.